Nagaland Legislative Assembly laga 10 session te 5-point resolution adopt kurise Monday din. Ito resolution laga pitorte NLA pra December 4 aro 5 te voting tirute hatsa hua laga contempt kurise. House pra mafi mang kurise aro kun manu itu hatsa te shamil thakise taikan ke kanun hisab te saza dibi koise. House pra Mon district laga manu kan civil societies pradesh laga manu aro kishim organizations kan ke sarkar logote milikena justice mang kuribi koise aro sop laga bal nimite shanti rakhibi koise. Naga political issue opor naga manu khan pra solution nimite akha kuri thakato sai dibo lage aro itu nimite house pra indo naga political dialogue to settlement ekta te ahi kena logical conclusion te ahibi koikna binti kurise. NLA pra milikena central sarkar ke aspato north east aro khas kurikena Nagaland pra hata bole mang kuribo koise. Itu opor NLA te pradesh laga sarkar pra voting hatsa te mura manukan laga gor manuke grade 3 aro grade 4 kam dibo koise aro jokumpa manukan laga dawai pani laga kharcha to sai dibo koise.
In the stronger terms that we do not want Nagaland to be declared as disturbed area anymore, let us pass a strong resolution to this effect. Perhaps the horrible mistake committed by the security forces in Thirteenth area recently, while operating under the cover of Afspa, will soften their stand and convince them on the need for repealing Afspa. The House appealed to the citizens of one district and its civil society to extend cooperation to the government and its agencies in our collective efforts to restore normalcy in the interest of all the citizens. The House appreciates and supports the demand of the civil societies for their demand for justice. So I condole the death and wish a speedy recovery of the injured person, and we all share the griefs of the bereaved families. I also condemn the killing of 14 innocent civilians in Thirteenth area in Mon district and causing serious injuries to many more. The people have been voicing out for peace and crying for early political solution. It is paramount that the people's voice and cry is heard and implemented as early as possible. The House may once again appeal to the negotiating parties of the Indo-Naga political dialogue to bring the talks to its logical conclusion by reaching a settlement that is honorable, inclusive, and democratic at the earliest. Let us hope that the recent death of 14 innocent Naga civilians at the hands of army will not go in vain. I also hope and pray that such ugly incidents do not recur again, God forbid.